Hey guys, Shelby Winkle here, your Scentsy lady. And I got the Scentsy hubby with me because we get to unbox for you today the new Lord of the Rings warmer. And I brought Jimmy in because let's just say he knows a lot more about Lord of the Rings than I do. I've seen him. I've seen the movies. I watched the show. You know, he's my husband. But that's as far as it goes. Whereas he can give you like the whole rundown. We're not going into that much detail, but he'll actually tell you what like this is and who the people are, which I'm one of those people that if I watch a movie, I'll be like, oh yay, great, it was awesome. Or, oh crap, you know, whatever. And then it goes from my brain. Whereas he holds on to everything about these movies that he loves. So, okay, so first off, just look how cool the box is. Just the box. Oh, you can see the ring light there. But look, it's perfectly, there we go. It's got the, what is this kind of writing?
It's the One Ring.
Elvish, but is it Elvish? Or what's the type of, do you know the, I don't know what that is. I think it's the Elvish, whatever. Okay, so at our reunion, they like did a whole skit. Like they had people dress up as Sam and Frodo and Gandalf, and it was adorable, and like they did super cute things. That's the only reason why I think it was, they said something about the elf, I don't know, whatever that is. Okay, so, and then when you open it, in a hole in the ground there lived a hobbit.
It was the first line from the first book.
Oh, there we go. First line from the first book. And look at it, it's like a little hobbit. It's so cute. Now, the only thing I could say that would make this better is if we were in New Zealand, opening this up from, you know, where they do this, because I want to go to New Zealand so badly. Okay, so we have the dish. The dish. I'm trying not to drop everything.
Just push the ring on the inside.
Yeah, so it's a little ring, and then if you look around, oh, hold on, let me see if I can take this light down a little bit. If you see all around, it has, I don't really know how to use my light. Does that help a little bit? Okay. All of that writing that I have.
Outside too.
Oh, you
I
can.
can see the laser.
Okay, yeah, there we go. I have no idea what it says. But it's the ring. How cool. So there's that. And then, okay, so this is actually something I'm not sure about, is if this is an element. We have that. Oh, no. Answer my question. There's a bulb. It uses a bulb. And it is a 20-watt bulb. So if you didn't know, our warmers take special bulbs that have heating elements in them and special wattage. It's 15, 20, 25, or Edison bulbs, which are 40. Okay, hold on. I want to like do the whole reveal and stuff before you guys see it. And so if you look at the bottom of most of your warmers, it will give you the wattage right there. So if you're ever questioning what your warmer bulb or warmer wattage bulb, oh, you know what I mean, whatever bulb you need, you can go and look at the bottom of your warmer. Now, if it's not on the bottom, it would be probably on the tag. There are very few, except for our mini warmers, that mini warmers are always 15. Thank you. Okay, so I got to see this at our convention, and it's really cool. All the hand detail. This is hand painted. Oh, dang it. I have to lift it. Let me point this down a little bit more. Look at that! There we go. Try to get into view. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. How pretty. Okay, so whose Hobbit thing is this?
That's Bag End. So that's
But who lives here?
Bilbo and Frodo's home.
Wait, who's Bilbo? Oh, is Bilbo the old one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But he's not part of like most of the movies, right?
He's not.
Oh. See, I don't remember, guys. Look at, they got, I believe these are little hydrangeas. I'm just gonna go with that because I think they are. Look at this. Okay, but wait for the detail. Hold on. And
Gandalf and Frodo.
Gandalf and Frodo, what does it say on there? Medora, how do you?
Mordor.
Mordor. Yeah. Fangor.
Fangorn Forest.
And
Rivendell.
Okay, those. There's those.
Little road
That's
map.
on there, huh?
Little road map, little markers.
So here it is. I'll show you all the sides. Oh, my nose itches. But isn't it adorable? And I can't believe it's still available. This one, I will tell you, I was shocked by how many orders I got for this because I don't know much about it. I didn't know that there was such a following. And man, there are people who love this. I was shocked. Okay. And then we have the bar to go with it. Of course, we have to have a bar to go with it. So Jimmy has this thing where he always says that he can't smell blue or green wax. So we'll see. I like this one. Let's see. And if you didn't know, okay, I like the top better than the bottom of the.
What's the difference?
The wax, the oil. So when a bar is poured, just like, you know, like if you're pouring different oils into your diffusers, there's some of those that are going to be heavier until they'll sink to the bottom. And so you have those. So when they warm, you know, they all get mixed up, but you also will smell things through the base notes, mid notes, and top notes. So hold on, let's get him in here. Smell it.
Yeah, I can smell something.
I can smell something. Oh, Caddy Wampus here.
It smells like a citrusy smell.
Okay, let's read it. Let's see if he has close to anything.
It's kind of like.
It's the dawn of a new journey as a woodland breeze carries hints of fresh citrus, bam, and forest florals over lush and peaceful hillsides.
Yeah, you smell like the flowers.
I'm pretty proud of him.
Yeah,
He
I'm pretty
smells
amazing.
it. So, the Lord of the Rings collection, and I hope this means that we're going to have more things. I have no idea. That was not like a preview of into anything. I don't know. But it's pretty cool.
They won't take advantage of it.
I mean, especially because that show's coming back out for the second season, right? So
End of this month, I think.
yeah. So here it is. Pretty cool. If you would like one, you can go to my website, which is shelbymariewinkel.scentsy.us, or you can find me on Facebook, Wax Mama of Weatherford. Instagram is Wax Mama Winkle. Don't get me started. They were supposed to be the same whole ordeal. And you can send me a message. Or if you have any questions, feel free to ask me away. Ask me away, ask away. Anyways, so if you've enjoyed this unboxing, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. It really does help my business grow, helps me to be seen by more people, and I appreciate it so much. And we will be bringing you more unboxings and reveals soon. You guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.